Hey guys, Sophia here. Welcome to We Pakistan. Today, I will show you how to create consistent AI model images for your AI social media account. First, add a source PNG image of your model's face to the software folder. Then, make sure to install Python. Open the terminal and install the requirements file. This step is only required the first time. Once the requirements file is installed, you can run the software using PyRunPy. The software will ask you to add a text prompt, but you can add any you like. Next, enter the number of images. You can enter as many as you like, but for the video's purpose, I will generate 10. Hit enter and wait for the magic to happen. The images will start saving in the same folder. To purchase this software, contact us. Details are in the video description. And don't forget to like and subscribe to We Pakistan.